Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer YouTube channel. We're out here at the RCinformer field once again, and Wesley has kindly brought me a brand new airplane to show you. At the time of this video, this should be available, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is a plane I've actually never seen before. It's called an L-15. It even says it right there in Chinese, right?
Yep.
And right there it says it there, I guess, in English, so or American. So anyway, this is an L-15. What it looks to me like, what is this, a Chinese trainer?
Yep.
Okay, it looks to me like a combination of like a Yak 130 with a T50.
Yep.
You know, like I think that's is that a Chinese or a Korean trainer? I'm not sure, the T50, but it looks similar to that, but with two engines. So it's kind of a combination of a couple of different airplanes. It looks like they borrowed from a few different air forces or whatever. So all these missiles come off, right?
Yes, sir, and they all come in the box.
Okay, and this is a four cell, I should say.
4-cell.
4-cell, but you can fly it on 6, you said?
No, so this one is the 4S version.
Okay, yeah.
Comes with the plastic cladded landing gear that you see. There is also a 6S version of this aircraft that will come with
these, which I stuck in my pocket to show y'all because Wesley gave it to me.
Suspension aluminum landing
So that'll be a nice aluminum deal.
Yep, and for anybody that needs them, you can buy those separately and add them to your 4S model.
So that's got some compression to it.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty nice. So these are just fixed, nothing.
Yep.
Just plastic coated and stuff. So we have nose wheel steering. We do have rudder.
Yep, rudder.
So we've got dual tails, and we've got flaps, and we've got ailerons. This is my first time seeing this, guys. It looks like we lost a fin somewhere.
Uh-oh, I must have knocked it off in the car. It's okay.
Fin loss, yeah, somewhere. Wesley's been flying this. This is, again, my first time seeing it. This is this a 64 millimeter?
It is.
It is,
one of the largest 64 millimeter.
This is a discovery flight for me, folks, because, again, this is one of those deals. Wesley just handed it to me and said, hey, go fly it.
It has the new FREEWING gyro pre-installed right out of the box now.
And this is cool. You got magnets with a little wood kind of guide thing in there. And then right in here, that's what Wesley was talking about with the gyro. And stabilizer. And this is going to come on most FREEWING planes now?
In the future, yeah.
In the future?
Coming a lot more of them. But
okay. So you can see it's green right there, and I got my little switch here. And when I switch it, that's sort of in the wing leveling, mode. Pitch leveling mode, right?
Yeah.
So, and that's purple, so when it's just in the normal wind correction, sort of stabilized mode, green, and then here it's off.
Yep.
So there you go. So we'll leave it in stabilized. It looks like it
stabilizes great, yeah.
Doing everything it's supposed to do. So, and that's it. You just put this together probably with a few screws, right?
That's it, yep.
It looks like there's...
the little pitot tube thing on top of it glues in. Everything else just screws on. 2 screws hold the tail on. And I believe it's 4 to put the wings on.
Okay, you got 4 for the vertical.
Yep.
2 here, right?
Yep.
And then your wings, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. And then there's the 2 that just hold in right there. Yep.
And then you put your rods, horns, linkages on. Looks like you've got this on the second to innermost hole, maybe. I'm looking at it.
Right out of the box. Yep.
So it came out of the box with them on?
They're on.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, cool. And fixed doors here?
Yeah, that's actually what holds the landing gear on. You actually pull straight out on them, and they pop out, and that's the gear on them.
So
the little flaps.
Okay.
That's actually what holds them in. I'll have to show them this here in a minute, guys. I don't know if we can figure this one out here, but
let's see.
It's a new design. You grab the blue doors and pull them straight out.
Oh, I see.
And that unclips the gear.
Ah, I see.
And then you can pull the gear out separately.
Let me grab, this missile comes forward, right?
Yes.
All right. Let me try this real quick. This is all done without any prior look at this.
There you go.
Let's see, and this just comes straight out sideways.
So straight out towards the tip of the wing. There you go, and then you can slide that right out.
Okay, so that just pops out.
Yep.
Okay, very neat. So that's pretty simple stuff.
And it has like a retaining clip. You got to just kind of pop past.
I don't need to pull it. I don't need to pull it all the way out. I'll just kind of stick it back there, and then I'll put this back in. Well, that's pretty simple. Yeah, that's kind of nice.
So yeah, doing the upgrade super easy too, because you just pop them off, pop the new ones in.
Yeah, this is neat. Okay.
And it flies good with the missiles on, so I've been leaving them on.
All right, cool. Yeah. Cool. All right, so let's go fly this thing.
All right, man.
I have not flown it. Haven't seen it. It's my first time seeing it.
Never seen it fly. Never nothing.
Yeah, I don't know what. It looks cool though. It's pretty slick.
Yeah.
You know, we might be able to see this color fairly decently in this because it's kind of a contrasty thing.
Careful telling people that. This is a blue airplane.
It's not like a gray F-18 or anything. Let's see. Oh, you're taking off with flight. You're really using that much tail.
I like it. You can use less if you want. There, you've got the call-outs in it. I like half flaps for takeoff.
Okay.
And like I said, you can go down on the elevator rate if you want.
Let me see. Oh.
I like mine sensitive though, you know that.
What are you getting, 3 to 4 minutes out of it?
Yep. Slide to the end of the timer. It's
Okay.
on your radio. It'll buzz.
Let's see what we got. All right. Let's roll on out here.
Let her rip, tater tip.
All right, here we go. I'm going to take it easy on this, guys, because this is the only one like available now, right? The only one in the country you got?
Right at the moment, yeah.
He's got the first one, so I'm going to try not to break it, so I'm going to be kind of careful with it today.
We're still trying to film all our videos with it, but we were here with Rich. I said, you got to fly it.
All right, so here we go. Taxi's nice and smooth. Our runway has settled a little bit. It's still a little bumpy, but we're still good. All right, so we got half flaps.
You get some bump assist takeoff sometime.
Yeah, probably will. All right, here we go. Taking off. Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice.
Oh, she's smooth.
Yeah, very cool. Let me turn it around. And what do you got, a 4S 2200?
Yep.
Oh, that's it, little battery, regular battery, like we all have those.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. That's full throttle. That's smooth.
Yeah, the 6S will be crazy.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's even with that high elevator rate, it's relatively smooth in the pitch. It's not it's not too sensitive, really. So yeah, that's nice.
You know, I got 20% expo in there.
I'm going to go deep for sort of a presentation pass in front of you here. Man, if we had some light on it, it'd be nice.
Yeah, I can see it great in the camera.
We've just got, yeah, it's darker in real life, but it's actually easier to see this than it was when we were flying those gray F-18s. This actually does stand out better. The stripes on the top of the wing make it really kind of much easier to see.
It's actually a real sweet flying plane.
It really is.
Like I said, I was really impressed with it when I got it out and flew it. Because I'm like Rich, I'd never heard of one before we came out with this. Kind of a plane I've never heard of, and
Want to be smooth
once
on
I
that
flew it,
putout.
I thought, man, this thing's pretty cool.
Does it fly inverted okay?
Oh yeah. You might need a little down pressure right now. I have the battery all the way forward in the bay.
Oh, way nice. Very nice. Wow. Okay, that's cool. All right, I'm going to come in just really fast down the runway. Let's do this. Lighten it up.
Going way wide then. In preparation.
This would be nice. I tell you, this really would be a nice retract gear jet.
Oh yeah.
Let me come into the
We'll
middle.
see how it does, and maybe you'll see it one day in a little bigger one.
That would be cool. Like I said, it looks a lot like a Yak 130, like a twin-engine Yak 130 / Korean T50. Steep turns, that's very nice and smooth. Yeah, those stripes, dude. Those yeah, almost broke on me there. Those light blue stripes on the top of the wing make it a lot easier to see. So.
Yeah, you have a ton of elevator if you ever need it.
Right.
So just be careful pulling it too hard.
Let me see if I can get in here with a touch and go.
Yeah.
My power's off now. I'm going to add just a little. No, I'm going to leave it off actually. Wow,
And
nice
don't forget
lander.
you've
Okay.
also got a flap.
Very nice. It's kind of a little bit of a bolter. Let me try the other direction.
Kind of weird having flaps on a 64 too.
Oh, I had no flaps set in.
Yeah.
Let's try that. I actually hit the correct switch too.
Yeah.
Let me go full flaps this time. Will this timer go off at like 3 or 4 minutes or something?
It should buzz, yeah.
Okay.
Won't make no noise, but you should feel the whole transmitter vibrate.
Full flap. I got the bump assist. I tell you, whoa, this does nice. Yeah, too much on the flap. Too much on the flap for those tight turns. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Try not to keep too much flap. I had full flaps right there.
Bounce assist. You're probably right there.
Yeah, I think I just got the buzz there, so I'll just bring it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet though.
Yeah, it's nice. Not bad, not bad. I can see you do need that elevator travel though.
Yeah, when you get it real slow, I like it. Uh-oh. Well, there we go. Just showing you how good the landing gear are right now.
Yeah.
He was wondering how I lost that missile rail. He's still seen it.
Hey, that missile, that fin was gone before I got it.
Sure, that's what they all say.
This is nice. Hey, do you have another battery?
Yeah.
Can I put another one in there?
Yeah.
I need to redeem myself after that.
Go for it.
But no, this is cool. Let's see. It handled it okay. I mean,
yeah.
With that plastic gear, it's nice. Yeah. I mean, I kind of bobbled it on in there, but
I've got the suspension too if we want to pop it on there. You want to try it with it?
Yeah, let's do that. Here, let me throw, you got the other one?
Yeah. You mind if I stop this for a second?
Yeah, go ahead and stop it and we'll throw this on. I'll grab the battery. All right, I just slapped the new battery in. I'm gonna boot that up, let it go. I'm gonna go with, let's see, we got, all right, which is your safety?
Should be that back corner switch.
This one?
Yep.
Okay, so we got that on. Okay, so battery's in there. So we're gonna do this as best we can here. You got to take both these screws off?
Just the bottom one.
Just the bottom one. So I'm gonna unscrew that.
And we're doing the upgraded gear right here on site.
Yeah, let's see. And we probably don't want this thing to fall out. So let's do this. Let's take this. We'll pop that off.
There you go.
Take this, put that right on. Find the flat area.
Boom.
Oh, these are your Benchcraft tools, right?
Right.
Look at that. Benchcraft, you know it. That's a Motion brand, right?
It is.
Okay. And you already got
a believer. I'm going to give him some Benchcraft CA today. Too.
Oh yeah, Benchcraft CA, all right. So let's make sure those are on there. That looks pretty good. I'm using my finger on the inside to hold that from falling out. That's why I'm doing it this way. All right, that looks pretty straight. That looks like that's on there. And then these babies, sort of like we talked about before. I'll just pull this off so everybody can watch me do it because I've never done this before. Let's see, and it pulls out sideways, right?
Yep.
Here we go. So we'll get rid of that.
You'll feel a positive click when you put them in.
Ah, okay, yeah. Just got the positive click. All right, here, let's see. Stick that back in.
Upside down?
No, that's right, yeah. Thank you. So, get that on there. We'll do the same thing with this side.
This is how easy upgrading the gear.
Let's do this, yeah. So,
you can take the missiles off for this flight if you want to.
Yeah, I probably will. At least those. I'll leave those off. That's good.
There you go.
Slide
Drag
this.
reduction. We're going
slide that right out.
Performance flight.
That's right. We're gonna go for speed this time. There we go. Popping those in. That's good. This is a funky looking door.
It is.
It's goofy looking. I guess if you didn't want the doors, you could cut those off and just
probably
have a thing to put on. But okay, that looks pretty good. So we got some suspension now.
And it's some serious suspension. They actually really work well.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh nice. Yeah. That's quite a bit.
I think it's definitely an upgrade worth doing.
All right. Let me grab the paraphernalia here.
Right.
Spare missiles. And I'll put those like kind of right here.
That's probably a charged battery right there.
That's right. No, it's hot. It's warm. Yeah, no, that's it. I hope not. Yeah.
Like to give them.
Run out of gas. I've never put a dead battery in a plane before.
Me neither.
Let's see.
Never.
Let's see if we got that in the right place. Now, where's your CG at on this thing?
I don't remember off the top of my head. I've been putting my battery all the way forward.
Okay.
And
looks like it's balancing kind of right behind that screw.
That sounds about right.
Kind of right there. Okay.
I don't have the manual in front of me, guys.
All right, we will go with it. Let's see what we got. We got power. Let's go with that.
Look at that.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
First time flying off the new gear.
Let's see. Let's try that, man.
I hadn't tried them yet. They look nice, though.
Yeah, let's go.
How bad could it be, right?
That's right.
We got it definitely bumpy enough right now to try them.
Yeah, it doesn't rattle. It floats a little more than hopping around, you know, kind of bobbling around.
I think it's going to smooth it out a lot. It's kind of bouncy without it on this rough stuff.
Yeah, that's nice.
I honestly think you could do grass with these.
Might be able to. No flap takeoff. Very smooth.
It definitely soaks the bumps up a lot better.
Yeah, a lot better.
Mo better.
Let me come by fast here. Yeah, it moves along. Yeah, I think my CG's a little farther back. Very nice. Let me go vertical, tail slide, see what it does. There it is. It'll put me right on the downwind. Perfect. Let's go a little bit of flaps here. All right, let's test that gear out here. Yeah, I'm actually power off here. Very nice.
Yeah, that soaks it up a lot.
I tell you what, and it bumps you up. It gives you a spring. If you land kind of bumpy like I did, it'll just spring the plane back in the air. That's nice. Let's see here. My carrier type landing. Are these carrier certified planes or?
I don't believe so. Like I said, It's a plane that I had never thought of before.
Tell you what, you want to step back a little and I'll do some grass? Do a grass landing with it, is that cool?
Sure, I'm just trying to make sure I don't fall over, guys. There you go.
No, I don't want you to. Hey, let's see.
I think it'll handle it. I don't know. You're going to do the first one ever.
I guess we're going to find out, yeah.
We're going to test it. Everybody always wants to see that grass. Oh, yeah.
It's half grass, half runway.
Half grass, half runway, but it handled it.
Let's do this. I'm going to let it go onto the grass, and I'm going to do a takeoff this way.
Yeah, she's soaking it up pretty good.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Taking off. Yeah, very nice.
With ease.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, that definitely helps out a bit with...
I don't think you'd want to do it with the plastic ones.
No, probably not. Although I think it would handle it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it'll handle that nice. Hey, let me let it roll out. I'm going to get back onto the runway here. Here we go. Get it on there. Take it off.
Thanks for the warning.
Going straight up. Nice, very nice.
That's cool.
Very cool. Whew. Yeah, man, I tell you, this would be great with some light.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is dark, guys. We're just out here doing this because we're out here, but I'm just not going crazy with it because it really is hard to see this thing out here. All this stuff. Plus, I'm like an old dude now.
It's a doom and gloom day out here today.
Yeah. Yeah, when I got more light, I can really play with it more, but holy smokes, yeah, it's nice. All right, let's do some landings. Let me do one last landing. I'll bring it in. Were you doing full flap landings with it?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. All right, flaps are full now. Let's see how it goes.
Only thing I'd tell you is when you're full flaps, just don't yank on the elevator too much. You'll be all right. All right, all right, all right.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah,
Nice.
neat. I just got to fly it when I can see it because I'm really, like I said, I'm using the force a little bit on it. It's tough to see. My glasses are a bit tinted too, so it's dark.
It is, guys, and this camera is not doing it justice. We're right at 5 o'clock. The sun is going down. It is dark out here right now.
But yeah, this is cool, guys. Yeah, I don't think you go wrong with this. This is should be available at Motion RC now. Check it out.
Yeah.
L-15 Chinese trainer plane, Yak T50 combo. You know, it's like a Yak 15 or Yak. What was it? A Yak 30.
The old Yak 130.
The Yak 130. Yeah, Yak 130 and a T50. If they had a kid together, this is what it would look like.
For guys that have the Yak 130 from FREEWING, it's almost the exact same size. Funny enough.
Yeah, it's very cool. So yeah, but nice model, very cool. Wes, thanks for bringing this out, guys. Check it out at Motion RC. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll probably do some more videos of this again when it's light, when we can see it.
Yep.
And actually have fun with it, a little more fun with it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Wes, thanks for bringing this out. Again, check it out at Motion RC. As always, guys, we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.